Hey Jake, Michael Schmidt here with Anomalies. Wanted to give you a quick update on something. We discussed a potential project at the last review meeting about maybe using some of the footage captured off of your rifle mounted camera to see what kind of model we could get out of our pipeline. And so just as a quick basic test, I slung the GoPro that I'm using to record this on the end of a rifle and tried to mock clear a house. Now I'm no operator, so my clearing abilities are not up to spec, but it was at least a good run through to see what kind of footage we might be able to capture. And so I'm going to show you three things. First, the footage that I got from the GoPro as I was walking through a house. Second, the model we were able to extract. And then third, some interesting data that we were able to extract from our pipeline and overlay in the model. So check this out. All right, so first up is my poor attempt at a house clearing video. This was mounted on the front of a rifle with a GoPro Hero 7 Black. There's still some settings we want to change with the camera to try to get it to jive a little bit better with our pipeline, but I think this is a half decent first test. And talking with some other people, it might be even better to have a shoulder mount or chest mount. But this is the video we captured. It's about 30 seconds. And what I'm going to show you next is a video picture-in-picture alongside the model that we captured. So in the upper right is the video that's going to play again. And then you've got the model in front, and I'll be pausing it every once in a while just to let you look at both to kind of get an idea of, the fidelity of the model. So obviously it's not anything like a Matterport or a drone-based scan, but for a single pass extraction of, this 3D data, it's not bad. You can kind of reference where the person was as they walked through. And then the benefit beyond that is you can go where the video didn't necessarily get to go. So I can walk into the living room and stand on the couch and look back into the kitchen, which was never part of the original captured footage. So again, first pass, we think it is a decent proof of concept for what it is. We'd like to work a little bit further to see about different mounting locations, different camera parameters, to see if this is something that might be viable. Now, I did mention too that there was some data that we were able to extract. So this is another SFM model, and with our pipeline we can actually back out the camera path that was used to generate the model and the positions of the camera for each frame of video we took as part of the pipeline. And so that's what this is here. It's a portion of an office with a GoPro on a gimbal, but just handheld, and walked through the office, and we're able to extract this video, and we can overlay, this model, and we can overlay those camera positions as we walked through. And so in a training or tactical situation, we feel like this would be beneficial to show the actual route taken. And we're not limited to video that we've taken. There's nothing special about our video. We actually went online and found a video of a drone flight that someone took of a castle in England, and through that video through our pipeline, and we were able to extract not only the model but the positioning of the drone as it was flying, and we'll see that here in just a second as I enable this improvement. So yeah, those white spheres are the drone path that somebody flew as they were taking a video of this castle. And so you've got your first person, third person perspective available, and then we've added a simple drone support to be able to fly up and kind of get a bird's eye view of this model. And so yeah, we think there's some decent implications here, and we'd like to explore that with you further and possibly do some experiments either in August or at some other portion of time to try to see if there's a future to this endeavor. So thanks very much for your time.